How to use raise keyword in Python. I have read the official definition of raise, but I still don't quite understand what it does. In simplest terms, what is raise? Example usage would help.
It has two purposes. Jack Cogdill has given the first one. It's used for raising your own errors. The second is to re-raise the current exception in an exception handler so that it can be handled further up the call stack.
Raise without any arguments is a special use of Python syntax. It means get the exception and re-raise it. If this usage it could have been called re-raise. From the Python language reference. If no expressions are present, raise re-raises the last exception that was active in the current scope. If raise is used alone without any argument is strictly used for re-raising. If done in the situation that is not at a re-raise of another exception, the following error is shown. Runtime error column no active exception to re-raise.
It's used for raising errors. Some examples here.
Besides raise exception, message, and raise Python 3 introduced a new form, raise exception, message. From E, it's called exception chaining. It allows you to preserve the original exception, the root cause, with its traceback. It's very similar to inner exceptions from C#. More info. This URL.
You can use it to raise errors as part of error checking. Or handle some errors and then pass them on as part of error handling.
Force order, legally login